one, and two, and one, and two, and one, and two. Come on, Tyra, do your yoga exercise of the day.
Attack her feet. Attack her feet.
She can't even lift herself.
Let's zoom in on the beautiful face.
She's doing the I want to kill you look. She looks so cute with this bow on.
I'm not filming your face.
So